How to use Instagram Beginner's Guide. Let's get started. In this beginner's guide, we are going to walk through everything you need to know to get started with Instagram, from navigating the app to posting photos, reels, and even using messages. Let's start with the home screen. Once you have downloaded the app and created an account, this is where you will land. At the top, you will see profile icons. These are stories from people you follow. Stories are short posts that disappear after 24 hours. Tap to watch. As you scroll, you will find a mix of feed posts, ads, and suggestions. Ads and suggestions. Want to only see posts from people you follow? Tap Instagram at the top and switch to following or even favorites for a custom feed. Saw something you like? Tap the heart icon to like it. Tap the comment bubble to reply or tap the paper airplane icon to share it. You can share your post via direct message, to your own story, or even to another app. Tap the magnifying glass at the bottom. Welcome to the Explore page. This is where Instagram shows you content tailored to your interest. Use the search bar at the top to find topics, hashtags, or even specific users. Tap on any user to view their profile and hit follow to add them to your feed. To create your own post, tap the plus sign at the bottom. Pick a photo or video, or the tap carousel icon to upload multiple. You can use filters, adjust brightness, contrast, and more. Once edited, add a caption, hashtags, tag friends, set a location, and yes, you can even add music. When you are done, just tap share. Reels are short vertical videos like TikTok or YouTube Shorts. To browse Reels, go to the Reels tab. To make one, hit the plus sign again and select Reel. Tap the message icon on the top right to open DMs, where you can chat, send photos, and even start audio or video calls. At the top, you will see Instagram Notes, short text updates that mutual followers can see for 24 hours. Tap the heart icon in the top right to check your notifications. Likes, comments, follows, tags, it's all here. And that's it. Your complete beginner's guide to Instagram.